Welcome to Review Lab. The best Boswell Pond is probably one of the most sought-after and versatile additions to any outdoor space, offering a tranquil escape and a captivating focal point that can transform your backyard into a serene oasis. And whether you're looking to create a peaceful sanctuary for relaxation, attract local wildlife, or simply enhance the aesthetic appeal of your property, this particular model stands out for its durable construction, ease of maintenance, and the sheer beauty it brings to its surroundings, making it a worthwhile investment for homeowners seeking to elevate their outdoor living experience and enjoy the calming presence of water. Number 5. Pond Boss Medium Filter Kit with Pump. Introducing the Pond Boss Medium Filter Kit, an all-inclusive system designed to enhance the water quality of your pond or water feature. This system efficiently circulates water with its 320 GPH pump, while the filter pads mechanically clean out debris. BioBalls also provide ample surface area for biological cleaning. The durable, UV-resistant filter box protects the pump and is designed to blend seamlessly into your pond. Its sloped lid prevents debris buildup, keeping your water clear. It's perfect as the primary filtration for ponds up to 500 gallons, or as an enhancement to larger existing systems. The included swivel adapter ensures easy leveling. You can even run a second water feature, like a spitter, thanks to the included diverter valve. This valve is compatible with standard 1/2 inch inner diameter tubing. What we like? This is a great all-in-one solution for smaller ponds. It circulates, filters, and aerates your water effectively. If you have a pond up to 500 gallons or want to add a spitter to a larger setup, this is the one to consider. What people say? This thing keeps the water crystal clear. It aerates the water and removes debris amazingly well for its size. For the best part about it, is that it takes all of 5 or 6 minutes to clean the unit and remove all of the debris. It's 2 different types of debris pads, one for larger material and one for finer material. And then there are bags with stone cylinders for the biomedia. This filter is great. It sits in the bathtub and has a beautiful little fountain in the tub. The side attachment runs water up to the water feature at the tire pond. The overflow cascades down our artificial stream back to the bathtub. This little filter does a magnificent job. The clarity improved almost immediately. Haven't used algaseed at all, and after using this system for just a couple of months, crystal clear water and no algae. Putting the system together was pretty easy, although I couldn't get the lid to snap on at first. It's easy and quick to clean the filters with just spray from a hose. Number 4. TotalPond Complete Pond Filter with UV Clarifier. Achieve pristine pond water effortlessly. This filter is designed to keep your pond clean and healthy, even for larger water features up to 1,200 gallons. It combines mechanical, biological, and UV filtration to tackle debris and algae. This ensures your pond remains free from unsightly green water. The pressurized design keeps water flowing efficiently. This prevents debris from settling and maintains optimal water quality. This comprehensive system comes with all essential filter media and a powerful UV clarifier. It's ready to integrate with your existing pump. For even greater clarity, it can be paired with additional filters. Enjoy a cleaner, more vibrant pond with this versatile solution. With a generous power cord, placement is flexible. Enjoy the benefits of a beautifully maintained pond with minimal hassle. What we like? For crystal clear water, this pressurized filter with a UV clarifier is a top choice. It tackles debris and algae efficiently, keeping your pond looking its best. If you're looking for a powerful system to maintain ponds up to 1,200 gallons and want to combat green water, this is an excellent option. What people say? Boswell Pond is a great addition to my backyard. The pond is easy to set up and maintain. It looks very natural and blends in well with the landscaping. Number 3. Intex Rectangular Frame Above Ground Pool 8.5 foot x 26 inches. Beat the heat this summer with this fantastic above-ground pool. It's perfect for keeping your little ones cool and entertained for hours. Get ready for splashing in just 30 minutes. Its durable steel frame is built to last, ensuring endless fun season after season. The rust-resistant frame provides excellent stability, while the heavy-duty PVC and polyester walls are designed for longevity and safety. When it's time to pack up, the convenient drain plug makes emptying the pool a breeze. You can even connect a garden hose to direct the water away. This pool is designed for ages 6 and up, offering a great space for outdoor fun. Please note, pump, filter, cover, and ladder are sold separately. Enjoy a spacious 8.5-foot x 5.3 feet swimming area with a depth of 2.13 feet. Its vibrant blue color adds a splash of fun to your backyard. What we like? This is perfect for family fun and quick setup. Its sturdy frame and easy draining make maintenance a breeze. If you need a simple, reliable pool for kids aged 6 and up to enjoy during hot summer days, this is a fantastic choice. What people say? It can easily fit several large adults comfortably. Looks and feels really durable, so we'll see how it holds up. Setup was a breeze. It took very little time and effort to get it up and running. The quality is excellent, and it feels sturdy and durable even after repeated use. It is very sturdy and works perfectly for our family. I bought a cheap solar cover and it works fantastic to keep the temperature from dropping in the water at night. It also keeps the stuff from the trees out of the pool when the wind blows. Number 2. OASE PondoVac 3 Pond Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the OASE PondoVac 3, your ultimate solution for a pristine pond. It's designed for efficient and hassle-free maintenance. Its innovative dual-chamber system fills and empties in alternating cycles. This allows for continuous vacuuming, ensuring your pond stays clean without interruption. Equipped with a robust 1600W motor, it delivers powerful suction. It can reach a maximum depth of 7 feet, tackling debris effectively. Clean your pond or pool quickly and easily by removing debris and organic matter. You no longer need to drain the water to maintain it. Transporting it is a breeze thanks to its sturdy wheels and adjustable handle. Enjoy fast and convenient movement around your pond area. Maintenance is simplified with quick-release clamps. These allow for easy removal of the motor unit, providing convenient access when needed. What we like? Tired of draining your pond for cleaning? This vacuum offers continuous debris removal without emptying. If you need to quickly and effectively remove sludge and organic matter from the bottom of your pond or pool, this powerful and portable vacuum is ideal. What people say? Suction is very powerful. Also, it doesn't stop sucking, like single-chamber models do according to other pond vacuum reviews. This thing sucks fast, but the addition of a clearish tube to view the color of what's being sucked up is a water bill money saver. Motor has great power. I love that it has wheels to push it through the yard rather than carry it. Number 1. Summer Wave 16-foot x 48 inches above ground pool set. Get ready for endless summer enjoyment with this spacious above ground pool. It's perfect for family and friends to cool off and make lasting memories. This all-inclusive set comes with everything you need to start swimming right away. It includes a filter pump, pool cover, ladder, ground cloth, and a maintenance kit. Setting up your new backyard oasis is a breeze. Plus, with the included maintenance kit, keeping the water clean and clear is simple. Constructed for durability, this pool is designed to provide fun season after season. Enjoy peace of mind with its sturdy frame and quality materials. Transform your backyard into the ultimate summer destination. It's the perfect place to relax, play, and beat the heat all summer long. With a generous 16-foot diameter and 48 inches depth, there's plenty of space for everyone to splash and play. Enjoy a refreshing dip anytime you want. What we like? This is the ultimate package for a hassle-free pool experience. It includes everything you need to get swimming right away. If you're looking for a large, durable above-ground pool and want the convenience of having the pump, cover, ladder, and maintenance kit all included, this set is perfect. What people say? Easy to assemble and good quality. The frame is sturdy and the overall look is clean and appealing. I love the integrated skimmer pump that one can watch swirling the water around the pool. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.